It's almost like a domino effect, one after the other. It seems that all the accused in the Muzaffarnagar riots seem to be in the need of Z-level security. The latest one to join the bandwagon is another Muzaffarnagar riot accused, Sadhvi Prachi, who says that she too is in dire need of heightened security.
मेरे को ये बताएं, संगीत सोम को अभी Z कैटेगरी सिक्योरिटी दी है, सुरेश राणा ने भी सिक्योरिटी मांगी है, क्या आप इसका समर्थन करती हैं और क्या आपको भी सिक्योरिटी की आवश्यकता है?
बिल्कुल, मैं समर्थन करती हूँ और अब से ठीक इनको 9-10 महीने पहले हम लोगों को वो मिलनी चाहिए थी सिक्योरिटी, क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर भी हमले हो रहे हैं। आजम खान ने मेरी गाड़ी के ऊपर हमला कराया है चुनाव के दौरान। अभी हरिद्वार में हमला 8-9 लोग गए हैं मेरे ऊपर हमले के लिए, मुझे धमकियाँ भी बराबर मिल रही है, तो निश्चित रूप से सिक्योरिटी मिलनी चाहिए।
Aditya Rajkol is the one who spoke to Sadhvi Prachi. Why are they waking up to the threat to their lives, Aditya, after one whole year? Or is this just a game of one-upmanship between all the riot accused?
Well, absolutely, Padmaja, that is the key question. Why are they raking up the security question on the anniversary of the Muzaffarnagar riots? These brutal riots had killed almost close to 100 people. Thousands of them were affected and of course had lost their home and hearth and were almost living like refugees in their own areas of living. Their ancestral houses were burned down and gutted. And now these people who were accused of the Muzaffarnagar riots, including Sangeet Som, Suresh Rana and Sadhvi Prachi, who just minutes ago talked to Times Now. She spoke to Times Now and said that even she was feeling threatened. Now, how are these people who are accused of Muzaffarnagar riots, who are facing the law at this moment, who are BJP leaders, and now say that they are threatened? Of course, Sangeet Som was given Z category security, and later we are hearing that Suresh Rana, who is another accused in Uttar Pradesh of Muzaffarnagar riots, and Sadhvi Prachi, they are demanding security. Even as there are hundreds of those affected by these riots in Muzaffarnagar who haven't really gone justice, they have been really appealing in different courts, appealing before politicians, but there is a slugfest between the Samajwadi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party now. Samajwadi Party saying that there is
in fact, Aditya, let's listen in again to what it is that Sadhvi Prachi said about the threat to her life and her need for security.